Try this at your own discretion. I'm not a doctor or anything like that.
This is my skin tag and it's located underneath my right armpit. I decided to tie my skin tag off with dental floss. This is the second day of me tying my skin tag off, and you see it has gotten fatter and more red.
This morning when I woke up, it had got fat and swollen like you see it now. And at first I was getting nervous and I was going to take it off, but I'm going to leave it on.
The skin tag just continued to get redder, fatter, and I continue to tie it off with dental floss.
The skin tag, look at that. You see that? It fell off. I was noticing that it was basically just hanging there. So I pulled it and it came off. That's where it came off at.